All right, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I make my sea moss drink. But before I get into how you make the drink, I kind of just want to give you a history on sea moss, or Irish moss, which is how we call it in my country, Jamaica. So for me personally, when I hear about something or I want to try something new, I definitely like to get the history behind it before I decide to try it. So here's what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to provide you with a little history on the sea moss or Irish moss. And I have my cheat note here because I want to make sure I hit all the important points that I'm trying to get across in this video. So first of all, where does sea moss come from? So it comes from the Atlantic coastline or North of America, Europe, and Caribbean islands. It has been used in places such as Scotland, Ireland, and definitely my country, Jamaica. Big up Jamaica. Now, some of the benefits of sea moss is used to boost your immune system, to soothe your digestive system, to strengthen your joints, and to improve your skin health overall. For me, definitely this is a superfood for me, and I like to take it in the morning because it gives me a boost of energy. I'm just telling you that it is amazing the way after you drink, the drink itself, you'll feel just a boost of energy. So now that I've kind of like hit all the important points that I want to hit, I'm going to go ahead now and show you how I make my Irish moss. So stay tuned. All right, so here's all the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need your dried sea moss, your nutmeg, some coconut milk, some vanilla flavor, almond milk, and I'm going to use the unsweetened kind. You're also going to need some Jamaican white rum, and this is a main ingredient. And this is optional to add a banana. Next, you're going to go ahead and add your sea moss to boiling water. And I went ahead and soaked my sea moss for about 24 hours so it can go ahead and swell and get back to its natural form. So here I'm just adding the sea moss to that boiling water. Now I forgot one main ingredient, and that is flaxseed. So you also want to add about half a cup of flaxseed to that boiling water and let it boil for about 30 minutes. So after you have boiled both ingredients together, this is what it looks like, and you're gonna allow it to sit and cool. Now after your flaxseed and sea moss has cooled off, you want to go ahead and add all the other ingredients and then go ahead and blend everything together. Guys, take a look at my description box where I'm going to leave the measurements of all of the ingredients. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for giving you the steps and also the ingredients for making your own sea moss drink. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.